So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to install TiviMate on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Now, for you guys that don't know, TiviMate is an IPTV player for Android TV devices. This allows you to watch TV channels by adding playlists from your respected IPTV provider. It is designed for your big screen, so it is built for your TV viewing, and it has a lot of cool features, including TV guide, favorite channels, catch up, search, and also support multiple playlists. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the different versions. There is a free and a paid version. We'll jump into that here in a little bit. So here we are on the Fire TV stick. This is the 4K Max. Like I said before, if you have Android TV device, so if you have an on 4K, Google TV streamer, and Video Shield TV, all you need to do is go to your Google Play Store, search for TiviMate, and it should be there and available for you to download. However, on the Fire TV stick is not available as of yet, so I'm going to show you how to install it today. So for instance, if you go over here to search, and let's say I search for TiviMate, you can see that it is not there. They do have some recommendations, but TiviMate will not be available on the Fire TV stick, at least not as of yet. So let's jump into the installation. So first thing I'm going to do is install the downloader application. So downloader is this guy right here. If you're new to stream and cord cutting, this is a very popular application to have. Definitely recommend giving it a download. So of course, all you need to do is just search for downloader. All right. And you see right here, go ahead and install it. And when you're done, go ahead and click home and go back to your main menu. Next thing we're going to do, guys, we are going to enable developer options. So for me, I do have it enabled already, but if you don't have it enabled, I'll show you how to do it anyway. So you're going to go to your gears icon. Then you're going to go to My Fire TV. All right. So from here, you're going to click on About. And for me, where it says Fire TV 4K Max, that's where we're going to sit. So for you guys, if you have a Fire TV Lite, that's what might be highlighted. If you just have a 4K, that's what's going to be highlighted. But because this is a Fire TV 4K Max, this is where I want to be. So what we're going to do is on your remote, you're going to go ahead and click OK 7 times, and it should bring you into the developer options. So for me, I am a developer already, but if I go and click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it should go ahead and give me those options. So you can see I am a developer. For you, it will do a countdown and it will say you're now a developer. So once that's done, we're going to go back to the previous menu and we're going to go down to developer options. Go ahead and click on it and go down to where it says install unknown apps. Click on that. And we're going to search for downloader, guys. Downloader, again, is what we just installed. By default, that's going to be turned off in downloader. What we want to do is go ahead and turn that on. So we're going to click on it. And when we do that, we're going to go ahead and go back home. So next thing we're going to do is launch downloader. All right. So for you new to downloader, what it is essentially is a browser that allows you to not only go to different websites, but you can install your applications from here. Very useful app. You can do certain things like add to your favorites. A lot of cool options on here. Definitely worth playing around with. So for TiviMate, there is a code that you can install. Go ahead and click on it. And the code that we're going to use is 272483. All right, we're going to hit go. All right. And just give it a second. It will go ahead and install or get to the install for TiviMate. So for this, we're going to click install. And we're going to hit done. And we're going to go ahead and delete the old installation file. So this is just going to take up space over time. So get in the habit of just deleting the old APK when you're done. Click delete. And now we can go back home. So from there, you're going to go to all of your apps and we're going to go ahead and find TiviMate. It should be at the bottom. We can long press on TiviMate and then we can just go ahead and move it to the top. All right. So for me, I'm just going to put it maybe right here. I'm going to move Cody down and I'm just going to leave it. Hit home. And now you can see that TiviMate is right here. So from here, guys, your IPTV provider will give you an option, URL to add to the playlist. You do have a couple options. You have the M3U playlist, you have the Extreme codes, you have the Stalker portal. So 3 different options where you can go ahead and add your actual TV channels. On the settings, you do have some general settings: playlist, appearance, playback, and so on and so forth. But you do see this big unlock premium. So let's talk a little bit about the differences between the free and the premium service. So with the unlock version, you're going to get support for multiple playlists, guys. You're also going to have favorites management, catch-up option, customizable EPG update intervals, customizable panel transparency timeout, manual channel sorting, turning on last channel and app start, auto frame rate, and a lot more options. So definitely, if you're interested, the price on this is $33. This is for a lifetime for 5 devices. So if you're someone that's going to use this on a consistent basis, probably worth the investment. So hopefully this video helped you if someone was looking to actually install TiviMate. Of course, can't make any recommendations on playlists. You will get that from your IPTV provider, but this is a quick way to install this on your Fire TV stick. Now, as always, if you're in the market for a VPN, I do have 2 VPN services that I use and recommend. Those are linked below in this video. Check